YouTube, what is going on? It is your boy Streets to Daytona back at you again with another video. You already know what we about to all head and open up. Check it out. You know what I'm saying? Review. You know what I'm talking about? This right here. This product right here, man, is by Logitech. You dig what I'm saying? You know? For iPad 5th and 6th generation. You know what I'm saying? This right here is something that I've been needing for a while, man, because I do have the Logitech stylus or pencil or whatever you want to call it. I do have the iPad, you know what I'm saying? And I needed me a keyboard, because if you don't know already, I do all, when I say all, I do all my editing, all my video. I pretty much do everything on the iPad. I don't do nothing on the computer. I have a MacBook Pro, but I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. The last time I turned that MacBook Pro on probably been 4 months ago, man. I do everything on the iPad. Now, as we turn around real quick, man, we got some beautiful, beautiful artwork. You know what I'm saying? How you can use this as a case, how you can use this, you know what I'm saying, as like, you know, a computer. You know, you got the keyboard. It's keyboard action. There goes some verbiage right there if you want to, you know what I'm saying, read along. See if we can get that in focus. There we go. But yeah, you got some verbiage right there. Beautiful artwork. Beautiful, beautiful artwork. You know what I'm saying? Slide back here to the bottom part. You see some more stuff going on. How you can put the keypad all the way behind the iPad, where you can hold it and have it just like this, where, you know what I'm saying, you can look more traditional. Also, protection, iPad anywhere you go. You know what I'm saying? I love how this is packaged, man. This is packaged very nice, man. Logitech has came a long way, man. I must say, man, I got a lot of products from Logitech. Logitech has came a very, very long way. Let's go ahead and read some more specs off real quick, man. I'm trying to read through the camera, so it's kind of hard, man. But Bluetooth technology, man. Low energy technology. You know what I'm saying? Well spaced keys. You know what I'm saying? iOS, can't read, y'all. iOS shortcuts. You know what I'm saying? 4-year battery life and digital pencil holder. You know what I'm saying? So this is incredible, man. I definitely needed something like this, man. So as you open it up, you got some more artwork right here, y'all. Go ahead and check that out real quick. You know what I'm saying? Showing you all the key functions and stuff like that. Screen lock. You know what I'm saying? Bluetooth pairing. You know what I'm saying? Battery status. You know what I'm saying? Volume control. Media controls. You know what I'm saying? On-screen keyboard. Keyboard language. Search bar. Active Siri. And home screen. You know what I'm saying? Beautiful. I mean, this is well nice package, man. This packaging is real nice, man. Right here, you got the product itself. You got like a kind of like a Teflon feel. You know what I'm saying? Teflon feel. Nothing special. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all something real quick. I'm gonna show y'all how my setup is already. This is my setup right now, y'all. Nothing, you know what I'm saying, fancy about it. It's just, you know what I'm saying, regular case. You know what I'm saying? Regular case with my iPad right here. You know what I'm talking about? Bam. So nothing special at all with this case that I got. Not only with this new case, I have protection, but I also have a keyboard, because you never know when you might need a keyboard. Right here, when you open it up, man, you got some more directions and stuff like that. But we don't need to do more reading. Reading's for suckers, you know. And as we open up the product, look at that. Put that out the way. Look at that. Okay. Not too shabby. This right here is plastic with some soft foam behind it. Keys. Ooh, that sounds nice. Ooh, that sounds very nice. Okay. Okay, I like that sound. Nice to the touch. Okay. Looking good, looking good. You know what I'm saying? So let me go ahead. Oh, you also have a cutout for. Also have a cutout here for your camera. You also have cutout for your volume. Up here at the top, you got a cutout for your lock button, mic. You know what I'm saying? You got to cut off everything. And also, just about like right here, you got a spot where you can put your stylus at from Logitech. And I do have that as well, as I stated earlier. Go ahead and grab that real quick. Got everything in the back seat, man. I ain't really too prepared. You know what I'm saying? But I do have that as well. You know what I'm saying? There you go, right there. So pretty much got everything Logitech. You know what I'm saying? I mean, if you want to, man, you can go Apple everything, or whatever the case may be, blase. But me personally, I feel that, you know, in these times, man, you know, there's other people out there and other companies out there that do just as good as a job as Apple, if not sometimes better. You know what I'm saying? I mean, granted, the Apple Pencil has key features that the Logitech one doesn't, but those key features that it do have, I feel like I will never come into contact where I need that feature where I got to spend $130 plus tax, $140 versus the Logitech one that costs only $60. Like, come on, man. So let's see if we can get everything nice and situated. I don't know what this is. I'm guessing this is something for battery. So let's pull that out. Ugh. Ooh. Pull it out wet. Ooh, okay. So we got that pulled out. And let me go ahead and get my iPad out of this old holder and old case and put it into the new one. Take this out. Boom, bada bing. Everything is falling. Here goes my iPad right here. Now let's see how can we do this with one hand. Go ahead and put this bad boy in here. Boom. Okay. Fits right in there nice and snug. Okay. Okay, I like that feeling. Okay. Alright, check that out. Ooh, oh, I didn't know he could do that. It's like a magnet right there. That's cool right there. I did not see that. Look. That right there, that strip right there, that's a magnet, Joe. I ain't see that. Look. Watch this. Hear the snap. You hear that? And that bad boy, look at that. That bad boy on there, in place, baby. Not going nowhere. Not going nowhere, y'all. Oh, that's groovy, baby. That's real groovy. Okay, Logitech ain't playing around with folks, man. Logitech ain't playing around with folks. And y'all see me all in the background. You know what I'm saying? But look, check this out. You can put your stylus right here. Go ahead and slide that in there real quick. Okay. Okay, can we get in there, baby? All right. Hold on. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. Oh, it's like a porno. Oh. Ooh, in there. Okay. Bam. Check that out. We good to go. Got the keys. Got the pencil up here. All right, so let's try to get this bad boy up and running real quick. You know what I'm saying? Let's push some buttons real quick. Do I have to set it up? I think I gotta set it up. So let's go to Bluetooth. What do I have to press? I'm seeing something over here flashing. Okay, there you go, right there. Look, it popped right up. Bam. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and click you real quick. Okay, it's asking to pair real quick. We'll like to pair. Yeah, pair, baby. Go ahead and pair. So, I gotta hold the button. Okay, I got you. Bam. Let me see. Is that how you do it? I think I did it right. Let's hold the button again. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. All right. Bam. Hit the button again. It's still asking that. Okay, I'm getting kind of confused now. Do I just hit the button? How we do this, y'all? Like, work with me, y'all. Do I hit the button or hold the button? Don't tell me I gotta read the directions. Come on, man. I'm smarter than this. Don't tell me I gotta read the directions. Oh, no. All right, let's take all this stuff off real quick. All right, we got all that off. Boom, bada bing. All right. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm kind of I'm kind of confused right now, y'all. I don't know. I think I had to do some reading real quick, but basically, it's a keyboard. There's nothing else I can say, man. It's a keyboard, man. I'll figure out how to do all that, nerdy stuff later on and stuff like that. But this is the final product. Look at it with the pencil. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. You tell me. But other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. I hope y'all like it. I hope y'all appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? Once again, man, I do all my editing, all my videos, photos, whatever. I do it all off the iPad, man. All of it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just one of them guys, man, that I feel like, today's age and stuff like that, you don't need no computer no more, man. These tablets are as powerful, if not more powerful, than the computer, man. I mean, I can edit and render 4K video on my iPad, and my MacBook can't even do that. So that right there lets you know how the iPad technology with the iPhone technology, because basically they share the same type of core base. The iPhone and iPad, they basically share the same type of processor and chips and stuff like that. They put more effort into those products by Apple. Apple puts more effort into those products than they do when it comes to their MacBooks or their lines of computers. So that's why I rock with the pads and stuff like that. So hope y'all like that video, man. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you rate, subscribe, comment, all that good old stuff to the page. And it is your boy, Streets to Daytona. And I'm gonna holler at y'all in the next one. Peace, love to everybody. Gone.